Hi guys, today I have a vegan friendly carrot soup recipe for you. It's filled with flavor, it's really nice and spicy, and it's just really yummy, and I hope you're gonna like this one as well. Let's get started. This is a really simple recipe and it's really quick and easy to make. I use quite a lot of spices, well, to my taste. So I used quite a big piece of ginger, so about a thumb size, and also I used a whole chili with all the seeds in it, and the soup was pretty spicy for my taste. But if you like it spicy, then you can keep it that way, or if you want to make it a little bit milder, then just adjust these two ingredients and just to fit the soup to your liking. Also, I wanted to mention that if you're not a big fan of coconut milk, then you can use any other cream that you like instead. So you can use single cream, double cream, whatever it's called where you are, or you can also use other bland alternatives, or you can also just add water, so it's not gonna be as creamy if you just use water, but it's still gonna be nice and tasty. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of the new recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.